Good morning. My name is Emerson Elim, and today we'll be doing an activity in Data Home's course, which is called Switch It. Now, in this activity, we will we'll answer two questions, question one and two, and we will determine what is frame, MAC table, and this diagram. First, we will need to have our message. So our destination mark in the frame table is 0F. So which is located in FA9, in this diagram, FA9 to a switch and a 0F. Our message which is 0D is connected to FA7. Now let's look at our MAC table. MAC table will determine the address of each router. However, the receiver or the message is not recognized as the address. So which means the message will send it to all the ports, everything. So however, in question one, let's go to question one. Where will the switch forward the frame? So the message will forward it to all the ports. However, in this question, it will be only forwarded to the router which has the connections. So FA1 which has a connection, FA2 does not, FA3 does have connection, FA4 does not have, FA5 does have connection, FA6 does not have connection, FA7 does have connection. However, it is our messenger. Keep in mind in the router there can only be it's either a message or a receiver. It cannot be both at the same router. So again, FA9, yes. FA8, there's no connection. FA9, yes, there is a connection. FA10, 11, and 12 does not have. Now let's look at question 2, which statements are true. Now let's go to the switch. This is the switch in FA9. Switch adds the source MAC address which is currently not on the MAC address table. So it only means if look at the MAC address table, if there is a 0E or 0F in the MAC address. So since there is not a 0E or 0F in the MAC address table, which is set here, we will consider is correct. Now in this frame, I will skip, and the only one is since statement 2, it is a broadcast. No, it's not a broadcast since the receiver and the message is only one. It will be a unicast since it is only sending one, and it will not be a broadcast because it is not sending to many. The frame is unicast, true frame, and it will be sent to a specific port. This is not true since our MAC table it does not recognize our message and receiver. It will not be recognized. Statement 3, since I deem this correct because it will be right on the edge. It will be flooded to all ports, which is correct. And lastly, the last email drop at the switch. It will not be drop at the switch since it will be continuing to FA9. So check. Yes, correct. Now let's speed run. Let's do the same problem solving as the first question. The destination MAC is 0F. The source MAC is 0E. So the MAC address they are recognized. So this falls. Since like I said in the previous problem, the router could only have only a message or receiver, but since FA9 has a message and a receiver both, and so the message and the receiver will not be happening. So there will be no frame will be indicated here, and that it will be dropped at the switch. So the message will be dropped at the switch. Let's check. Correct. Next problem. Our destination is 0A and our message 0B. Are they recognized? Yes, they are recognized. So this means only FA1. It will go straight to the super. And it will be to specific port. Let's check. Correct. Thank you for listening. That's my activity.